sweeties! Welcome back to our Ava Lova channel. Today, I've come with a brand new video. Yes, today's video is all about refrigerator cleaning and organizing in our avatar house. So, without any delay, let's go into the video. Alright, let's begin by feeding my pets first. Oh my God! This is the current state of my refrigerator. Now, we really need to change this into a better condition. For that, we need a few supplies. Come on, let's start the refrigerator cleaning and organizing. Can you give me some fresh milk? Thank you! Now look how beautiful my refrigerator is! What do you think, guys? I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching! Bye!